Case packing of small ultralight cartons. Our customer needed to pack up to 120 cartons in American boxes. As these cartons were very light and fragile, our key challenge was first to ensure they were securely gripped to protect their integrity. Secondly, any potential cartons missing from the expected batch had to be detected with a high-precision control system that did not impact the 120 products per minute line speed. Additionally, pillbox formats also needed to be packed using the same equipment. But okay, challenge accepted. The cartons are first grouped into layers on a preparation table. A side-loading case packer could not be used, as the system had to pack the pills boxes vertically in the outer packaging. So, the best solution was to integrate a robotic pick-and-place arm with a customized 3D printed gripping head. Each carton is gripped securely by two suction cups, while the batch is rotated by 90 degrees during the transfer. When each layer is inserted in the American box, a vision system mounted directly on the robotic arm checks that the right number of cartons is present. The boxes are then sealed and fed out. Accurate, reliable, secure, challenge solved!